Purdy, have you heard of reverse dieting? Oh yeah, it's what those fitness competitors do after a big show to slowly get back to normal without blowing up like a balloon. Imagine if we had to do that after every competition we participated in. Hey honey, I just won the pie eating contest. Time to reverse diet. That would be crazy, Jimmy. So you start by adding a little bit of food each week, right? Yeah, but can you imagine if it wasn't just food? I've been depriving myself of Netflix for weeks. Time to add 10 minutes a day. Today, I can watch the opening credits, and tomorrow, the first scene. By the end of the month, I'll have finished one episode. And what if it included other treats like coffee? I've been off caffeine for my diet. Time to add 1 sip of coffee a day. Today's the day for a sniff of espresso. Maybe next week, I'll take a gulp. I can't wait for the day I can get 1 whole cup. Imagine reversing out of cheat meals. I'm going to start by adding one French fry to my salad. And then maybe a spoonful of ice cream after my protein shake. Eventually, I'll be back to my Friday night pizza parties. But for now, it's just one pepperoni a day. Oh man, just one? And what about socializing? I've been in competition prep and I've been avoiding parties altogether. Maybe it is time to add 1 friend back per week. This week, I'll text Bob. Next week, I might actually call him. By the end of the month, I'll be at the whole bar with the whole gang. But for now, it's just me and my protein shaker. Guess that means to shake it up. What about sleep? I've been getting up at 4 a.m. to train. Now I sleep in to 4:15. Next week, 4:30 a.m. I'm living on the edge. Eventually, I sleep in till like 6 a.m. or maybe even 10 a.m. And then I'll be a normal human again. But for now, it's baby steps. Can I get a pacifier too for my mouth? Imagine if it extended to hobbies. I gave up my model train set for the competition. Time to add 1 piece back a day. Today, the caboose, and tomorrow, the tracks. By the end of the year, I'll have the whole train again. But for now, it's just me and my lonely caboose. Your caboose does get pretty lonely. And relationships. I've been so focused on training, I haven't seen my wife in weeks. Time to add 1 hug a day. Just 1. Today, a kiss on the cheek, and tomorrow, maybe we'll hold hands. By next month, we might actually go on a date. A date sounds mighty nice. And then there's reverse dieting from work. I've been in my office nonstop. Time to add 1 minute of extra time breaks per day. Today, I'll stare out the window for 10 seconds. Tomorrow, maybe I'll do 1 full minute. By next month, I'll be taking lunch breaks again. But for now, it's just me and my 30-second daydreams. Sounds like a quickie, Jimmy. You know, Purdy, if reverse dieting included all aspects of life, it would be a never-ending roller coaster of hilarious adjustments. It really would, full of small, incremental changes and a whole lot of patience. But at least it would never be boring. Here's to all the wild, wonderful, and crazy aspects to reverse dieting and to surviving every bit of it. Cheers, buddy. Cheers.